So you cannot look at auto as just one single approach. You cannot have a secular approach in auto. Why? Because, within auto, there are a lot of wheels within wheels. Premiumization, I think it's a real deal, whether it is four-wheelers or whether it is two-wheelers. Rule recovery, I think yet to kick in, that really is abundant. So let's just spend a minute to understand Eicher, and this is my understanding, and I'm just going to quote from the CLSA report here. We expect the share of premium motorcycle to climb from 26% to 27%. Guys, look at what's happening in the SUV market. I mean, four-wheeler in India, the four-wheeler market in India is like a clear benchmark of how the premiumization market in India is actually growing. Now, Eicher's market share will get hit. Haven't we discussed this like at least dozen of times in last 1 year? I don't see any evidence of that. So for the sake of making a case that, Honda and Harley and Bajaj and Triumph will have an impact on that, well, I don't see any evidence of that. Yes, there was a whole hullabaloo which happened when the launches happened, but the market share after that has not declined. I think Eicher is in a very sweet spot, and there are certain categories which will continue to do well, which I think are associated with power, premiumization, discovery. Just think about it. The roads are so nice. I mean, all our friends, periodically they keep putting pictures on how they are really on road travel, whether it is a bike travel or a car travel, because the way you're exploring world in India is very different. So bike travel, which was supposed to be like a cult phenomenon, is part of a routine hobby now. It's like a weekend hobby. So my point is that which are the companies which would benefit? It is not going to be 110cc. It is not going to be an electric scooter. It's going to be 350cc, 650cc, and I see that actually increasing. That's my view on Eicher. Autos will take a conversation separately, but I don't agree with this triple downgrade which has happened on Eicher, because I don't see evidence of that. I really don't see evidence of that. Just look at the roads. The roads are better. Your safety and your commuting. I mean, I've got friends who've been talking about going on bike treks to Leh and Ladakh. And for that, I'm sorry, you cannot go on a scooter. You have to have a strong bike. You can all cycle to the
But are you becoming part of that cult?
No, not
really. Of the weekend biking
No,
gang?
not really. Bombay roads, I still have to
But your doubts over it.